In today's video, we're going to talk about a Chrome extension that I use every single day to help with my writing. I'm correcting errors and making sure that capitalization is correct on the text that I use for PPC, and it is called camelCase. So simply enough, we're going to go into Google and we're going to type in camelCase Chrome extension. We're going to click on the very first listing that comes up, and like with our other Chrome extensions, we're going to click Add to Chrome. Add extension. There's a couple of prompts that come up, so we're just going to exit out of those. And we're going to add the camelCase to our extension toolbar. So how this is used is that you can go to any text that you're looking to revamp, and you can click on your text, highlight your text, and then right click. Now this is where the magic happens with camelCase, because you're able to go to your text, and with one click you can change all your text to uppercase, or you can change all your text to lowercase. Or what I do in 90% of the keywords, descriptions, text that I use for PPC is I change everything to title case, and it makes all the important words capitalized. Why is this important, you ask? For one, it offers clarity, and clarity is key for your readers. Using the right case makes your writing easy to follow and easy to understand. Number two, it makes your writing look professional. Paying attention to case is a simple way to show that you care about the quality of work. And number three, offers consistency. Using the same case throughout your writing creates a cohesive and unified look. Plus, it makes your writing a breeze to read. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.